Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, September the 23rd, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku. One. Yes, only one. And no good news today. No good. Because in this newspaper there are no extra Sudokus. Let me show you. No extra Sudokus. No additional. So what I will do is to continue with the last edition. That's yesterday. Yes, yesterday I have 3 Sudokus left, and yesterday it's Thursday. We have Thursday's edition. Look, the Thursday edition. I have 3 Sudokus left: letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic. So after the regular Sudoku, I will solve those Sudoku. Yes, right. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number. Let me see which number it will be. 3435. Yes. 3435. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 1-star Sudoku. And for a 1-star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. Okay. Let me see. Which number can I pick? We have 8 in this column. First column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. We have 8 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then. How about the number 7 in this column? 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last row. 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. Here 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in this box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the number? The number 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in these two boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Alright. Alright. I cannot continue with the 5. How about let me see. 2, 2, 2, 2. Interesting. 1, 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see a 9. No 9 in these two boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4. We see a 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see, the 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row, for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Alright. Alright. 6, 3, 7. Then. Let me think. How about the number 2, 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We see a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Okay. Then 3, 4. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this column, so no 6 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 6 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So, and now, 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. and this box should be a 7. Okay. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6 are white. 2 numbers left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. Let me mark those. I cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 numbers in the first column? 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. I need to mark those again. How about these 2 numbers? The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Okay. Okay. 1 number, no, 2 numbers left here. 4 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. How about 2, 2? We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. The 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. Look, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this big square for number 4. Okay, 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes also 1 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Finish in 40 minutes. Yes, definitely faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the heavy Sudoku, for the medium Sudoku, for the light Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2-star, 3-stars, and the 4-star Sudoku, playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes, I believe more than 3,000 Sudokus I have solved. So you will find a lot of puzzles to solve. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again, later on, maybe in the evening, with the other Sudokus in the yesterday's newspaper and additional. So see you then. Bye bye for now.